Craving something spicy, crunchy, and delicious? Let's make this street style masala toast sandwich loaded with flavors and super easy to prepare at home. Ingredients you will need: bread slices, butter, green chutney, tomato sauce, boiled potatoes, chopped coriander leaves, turmeric powder, salt, onion, tomato, beetroot, cucumber, cheese. Let's start by making a aloo masala filling. Take two boiled potatoes and mash them well. Add salt as per your taste. Add 1 spoon of green chutney. Toss some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything thoroughly and a spicy aloo masala is ready. Now let's assemble the sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread and apply butter on each side. On one slice, spread the green chutney. On the other, spread tomato sauce. I'm using hot and sweet tomato chili sauce. Place the aloo masala evenly on the chutney side. Add chopped onions for that extra crunch. Then layer your favorite vegetables. I have used sliced tomatoes, beetroots, and cucumber. Sprinkle a little salt and then add some grated or sliced cheese on top. Now close the sandwich with the other bread slice, the tomato sauce side down. Time to toast this sandwich. Heat a pan on low flame and add a little butter and let it melt. Place the sandwich and toast it for 2 to 3 minutes until golden. Add some butter on the top slice. Flip and toast the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Your crispy cheesy masala toast sandwich is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot with green chutney or tomato sauce. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your foodie friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty homemade recipes. Bye.